but I'm free today, kind of. So I'll.
Okay, no problem. So we will solve a different type of question of trial balance today. And now please try to solve those questions.
What's it?
I'm going to solve a different type of question today, from
Oh,
journal entry to ledger and then trial balance.
okay, sir. Actually, my network is a bit not stable today.
Okay. Okay. So can you see the screen, the question?
I can see the screen, yeah, and the question too.
Yes. So question number 2.
Okay, sir.
So in this question, we have to pass the journal entry, journalize the following transaction, post them into ledger and prepare a trial balance. So we will solve this question today because these type of question where you have to put an item on the debit or credit side of trial balance, we have already done that. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you pass the journal entry for these transactions?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, good. So please pass the journal entry. I'm preparing the ledger. Done. Sana,
Yeah, sir.
so you completed.
What, sir?
Have you completed?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell me the journal entry that you have done?
Uh, sir, I have to do the journal, then leisure, then trial balance, right?
No, no, you have to pass journal entry.
Only journal entry?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Uh, First one is April 1.
Okay.
It's cash account to capital account.
Okay.
Then second one is April 3, purchase account to cash account, right?
Purchase account debit to cash account. Yes.
Yeah, debit to cash account. Then April 4th, Gopal the account uh, debit to sales account.
Okay.
And then April 10th, purchases account debit to Ram's account.
April 10th, purchase account debit to last. Okay.
Is it right? I was kind of confused.
Yes, it will be purchase account debit to Ram.
Okay, then April 15th is trade debit to cash account.
Trade expenses account debit to cash.
Oh, I didn't write expenses.
Hmm.
Okay. Then April 20, cash account to discount account.
Cash account to discount account.
Cash account debit to discount. Oh, sorry. Cash account to Gopal account.
Cash account debit
Yeah,
discount.
cash account debit to Gopal account.
Cash account debit discount allowed account debit to Gopal.
Yes, yes, yes. Why we are writing aloud, sir?
Because we are giving discount. Actually, there is two types of discount. One, we will receive it, and the other when we will give it. So if you don't write allowed and receive, then uh, it will be a confusion for us to understand that what when we have given the discount or when we have received the discount.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we are writing discount allowed accounts means discount is given by us to someone.
Okay. Then I'll write it 1 minute, sir. Yeah. Then April 5th, 25, wages account debit to cash account.
Okay,
And April 27, Ram account debit to cash account to discount received, right?
very good.
Um,
So how you have decided that there is a discount received?
because it's I paid to Ram and he gave me discount, so I got the discount from him.
No, no. Yes, you got, but there is nothing written about discount in this line, in this sentence. So how you have decided that it is discount?
Uh, because it was full settlement. It's written full settlement.
Yes, it is written that full settlement and total amount to be paid is 8,000 and we have paid only 7,700. So the balance is discount. Very good.
Yeah, and then one more. April
Paid,
30.
yes,
What's April 30 rent account debit to cash account. Paid
very good.
rent. Sir, we have to write in bracket like paid wages, paid rent, paid this, paid that.
Yes, that is narration. That is transaction detail that you have to write below the journal entry.
We have to write like every time we're doing journal.
Yes, because then only if someone is seeing, watching, or checking your journal entry, then he can understand that for this transaction, this entry has been passed.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
you have to write the transaction detail.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the journal entry part is completed. So the ledger. Now you can see that for first transaction, it is cash account debit to capital account here. In cash account, it is to capital. In capital account, it is by cash. Yes.
Yeah.
In the second transaction, it is bought goods, means purchase account debit to cash account. So it is on the credit side of cash account and it will be on the debit side of
Yeah.
purchase account. Okay. So
Okay. Yeah.
the third one is sold goods to Gopal. Gopal account debit to sales account. Now, in sales account, Gopal will be credited and in Gopal account, sales will be debited 4,000.
Okay.
Bought goods from Ram. So again, in purchase account, it will be to Ram's account 8,000. In Ram's account, it is by purchase
It
8,000.
will be purchased. Yeah.
After that,
Okay.
paid trade expenses. So trade expenses account debit to cash account 2,000.
Cash account.
Now,
Yeah.
received cash
Okay.
from Gopal, discount allowed. This is a combined entry actually. Uh, in this transaction, there is two debit, two debit account and one credit account. Yes, it is called
Yeah.
compound entry.
Was it? What is it called?
Compound entry,
Oh, compound entry. Okay.
like compound interest, it is compound entry. Means there is two accounts combined in one side. That's why it is compound entry. Okay.
Compound entry. Okay.
Okay. Now, in this transaction, there is cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Gopal account. Yes.
Gopal. Yes.
So there is two entries on the debit side and one entry on the credit side.
On the credit side. Yeah.
So in if you go on the credit side of Gopal account, then we have to write two items because there is two opposite entry of Gopal, two opposite account, cash account and discount. So buy cash and buy discount.
Discount. Yeah.
And in cash, it will be Gopal 3,950. In discount, it will be Gopal 50.
50.
So you can see discount allowed Gopal 50 and cash is in the beginning. Yes, to Gopal 3,950.
Okay.
After that, paid wages. So wages will be on the credit side of cash and in wages account, it will be on the debit side to cash.
Debit side. Yeah.
After that, paid to Ram in full settlement. So it is Ram account debit to cash to discount. So in Ram account, it will be to cash and to discount received
Discount.
7,700 and 300. So
Yeah.
in cash account, it will be 7,700 on the credit side. In discount received account, 300 on the credit side. So in cash account here, it is by Ram's account 7,700 and in discount received account, it will be on the credit side by Ram's account 300.
Okay, sir.
And the last one is paid rent 1,500. So in rent account, it will be on the debit side to cash, and in cash account, it will be on the
It will be
credit
on credit side. Yeah.
by
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So now we will calculate the balance for every account. So there is 1,03,950 on the debit, which is more than the credit side. So it will be
1,03,950.
yes by balance CD 0. It is 5, 12, 19, 0, 1, 87,050. Okay,
Okay.
so it is 5,277, 8,000. Okay, it is 87,050. Now the capital account balance, it will be
1
1 lakh,
lakh.
1 lakh, and here it will be to balance CD 1 lakh. Again, after that, you can write it here also by balance BD
BD.
1 lakh. Purchase account, only transaction is on the debit side, so 13,000. 13,000, and it will be by
Balance CD. Right?
CD
Yeah.
13,000.
13,000.
Sales, it is 4,000.
4,000.
4,000, sorry, to balance CD 4,000. After that, Gopal's account, there will be no balance because there is 4,000 on the debit side and 4,000 on the credit side.
Credit side.
Again, Ram's account, both side total is 8,000, so there will be no balance. Okay. In trade
Yes, sir.
expenses, balance is always on the debit side. So 2,000, and here it will be by balance sheet. I told you in the beginning of this chapter that there is no balance in nominal account, but to understand the concept of trial balance, we are calculating balance.
Okay, sir.
So discount allowed is also nominal account. There should be no balance here, but we are calculating 50. After that, wages is also nominal account, 700, 700, and here it will be by balance CD 700. After that, it is 300. It is 300, and then there is to balance CD 300, and then a rent account 1,500, 1,500, and here it will be by balance CD.
CD.
Now we will prepare
3,000.
the format of trial balance. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is our trial balance format. We have to write trial balance of the name of person or company is not given, but the date is given as on of 30th April 2019 it is, because only 1 month transaction is given. So 30th April 2019 we are taking. Now, the heading, it is heads of account. It is debit amount and then the credit amount. Okay, so whatever the balance is, first item was cash account, then capital account, then purchase account,
Sales.
sales account. There was Gopal and Ram's account also, but there was no balance in those accounts. So trade,
So we will not write their name.
yes, there is no balance, that's why.
Okay.
Discount allowed account, then
Discount received.
discount received account,
Then wages. No. Yeah,
yes,
wages and rent.
and rent account. So cash was, the balance of cash is 87,050. 87,050. Capital balance is 1 lakh. After that, purchase account balance is 30,
4,000.
and sales account balance is 4,000. Purchase account is 13,000 and sales account balance is 4,000. Trade expenses is
Trade expenses is 2,000.
2,000. Discount allowed is 50. Discount received is 300. Wages,
Wages is 700. And rent is 1,500.
very good. So wages is 700 and rent is 1,500. So this is our balance. Now, how we have written all these items on the debit and credit side, we have to decide that also. So cash account is assets, that's why debit. Capital account is always written on the credit side. Purchase is also expenses. Sales is income. Trade expenses. Discount allowed is also expenses. Discount received is income. Wages account is expenses and rent account is also expenses.
Expenses.
We will calculate the total. It is 1,04,300.
300.
And here it is 0 and then 0. 3, 4, and 1, 0. So this is your trial balance. Tell me if you have any doubt.
No, sir.
So this is second type of question. In previous class, we have done these questions like question number 3, 4, these type of question we have done in our previous class. We have to put these items on either on the debit side and credit side of trial balance. But in today's question, We have passed the journal entry, then created the ledger. After that, the trial balance. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, in
Yes.
question number 3, there is a question mark in capital.
Yes. In that
Why?
case, you have to calculate the capital. You know that in a trial balance, both sides will be equal. Yes.
Yeah.
So you will put all the items on the debit and credit side, and whatever your balance is, it will be treated as capital.
Oh, okay.
The difference will be capital,
Okay.
and it will be written on which side?
On debit side.
Capital is on the debit side.
Oh, sorry, credit side. It's
Yes.
income. No, expenses.
Capital is a category in new modern approach.
Capital is also like owner's name, right?
Yes. So as per traditional approach, it is personal account, and as per modern approach, capital is also a different category, a separate category.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So by following these methods, you can solve the question. Now, can you tell me one thing here? No, in this, there is no detail of that. Just 1 minute. Okay, no, there is no other type of question here. Let's say if there is any adjusted purchase given here, like in question number 3, if there is an adjusted purchase is given, then what will you do?
Adjusted purchase. It means uh, like is it like uh, discount thing like settling?
Settling discount?
Like
No,
the
actually, in one of the previous class of trial balance, I told you about adjusted purchase. There is a note related to adjusted purchase or cost of goods sold.
is it related to I know it stock opening stocks and closing stocks.
Yes, but not complete. Your answer is not yet complete. Okay. So actually, adjusted purchase equals to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yes. So, and in cost of goods sold, it is opening stock plus purchase plus direct expenses minus closing stock. So when adjusted purchase or cost of goods sold is given in the quotient, then we will not write opening stock or purchase in trial balance, because adjusted purchase and cost of goods sold includes these two things. Yes,
Yeah.
in adjusted purchase, the formula is opening stock plus
It's like
purchase.
yeah, it's like formulas, right?
Yes. So
I'll have to learn all of this.
yes. So in adjusted purchase, opening stock and purchase is already included. That's why after writing adjusted purchase, we don't have to write opening stock and purchase in the trial balance. But if adjusted purchase is given, then closing stock will be written on the debit side of trial balance. Okay.
Okay.
But can you tell me that if adjusted purchase is not given and there is no cost of goods sold also, then where closing stock will go if it is given in the question?
Then it will go on the credit side.
No, closing stock will not be shown in the trial balance. You have to remember
Oh,
these things in order to solve the question correctly.
there are so many formulas in accountancy.
Uh, Actually, not much, but yes, you have to remember few things.
Like I have to remember a lot.
Can you tell me anything in specific?
Like uh, you know, this question, in that question, it was full settlement. Then I was trying to remember what does that mean.
Okay, actually, these things uh, are generalized. This is not a special for accounting. If there is full settlement written, then it means that we are taking a discount here.
A discount. Yeah, that's what I was trying to remember. Like they're not giving in simple words that we
Yes,
got the discount. And
actually,
then
in total 8 question, you find only two complicated one in this one. Like today we have solved. Yes.
yeah,
So, like this, actually, when you think about these items that is written in the question, and if you think like in real life, okay, then you will easily understand that what does it mean. Like,
yeah,
paid to Ram in full settlement. Whenever there is a full settlement case, you go to a shop and tell them that keep this amount and this is our full and final settlement. It means you are paying less money. Then only you are saying. You never say this to someone like you have received 1,000 from someone and you paid 1,000 and you are saying that this is our full and final settlement. Will you tell these sentence to someone you are paying the
no,
amount full?
no,
No. So that's why these are actually the things that is used in normal life also. So if you focus on general life terms, then you will understand these things.
yeah,
So yes, adjusted purchase and cost of goods sold are new one. It is not general terms. It is not used in normal life. That's why you have to remember these.
yeah. Uh, Yesterday or day before yesterday, I was doing a question. Then I got so confused. I don't know which question it was, but then I opened the recording which you were teaching. Then I got the answer of that.
Okay, but you have not written this adjusted purchase or cost of goods sold like notes,
Not yet.
but you should complete it because after every class, if you write the notes, then you will remember the concept also.
Yeah,
While
but like nowadays I'm really busy with PMA, and there are so many classes also.
okay, okay. So have you
But I'll do
completed
it.
some portion of accountancy TM?
I did. I guess I did first one and half of second.
Okay. Uh, Complete that. After that, we will discuss the cash reports.
Okay.
Okay.
There's one girl who is sending me accountancy answers. I was like, if I'll copy, then what if I don't understand? That's why
Yes,
I'm,
you need to understand that also.
yeah, that's why I'm not copying right now.
That's good. Okay. So